Some of the summer, what they manana from Mano. Or sign a poor fancy.
is representing the Grand Chief of the Blackman. Nephew of the King of the Dance Forest. I don't know how to see I'm singing what I said. I'm sorry. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I come here, I want to sound from you. Now, where the what's my brand now? Johnny, go feed your war at the cook before. Ghana, Ababa Sandia, Sabi, ya more John, go feed your way to come before dinner. Now, yes, Ababa Santia. Adodakwa ekufua doyensi amwa odoso ebeba abawoya wotneni onyam ebehye dwumai ebokina eitiabra yewura kufuo ni num kwakotu no mu yebesre ohene yire ewo dansua ene ne dom sanse yehwe yanhye ponsua Yamania kose brefwa Jeda amania Sabi yakose no Ufi yawo edekum kufo Edekum frebie Azimampambo Edekum tiasipo Yafrano asaman Na obewu akoda Samampo Sabi yeura John edekum kufo When no se abra you meet in the midst of man no can buy as you go to my and na cross my very agent we didn't share so if you see the house of she said the mom
na bishop Ukraine say mpanyin say obraba dwura pan ehwe aduma na na afra koma aye ene kwan so ko a omo de no ma aye no de no so ko no de ne amande okomo ya gbo ni bi so to isin ben house of chiefs yeah na browasi lukre ni bebreka ye be kan se sie ni keja ina sira onye no ho ntai ye she chi na pa e brefutu e baba nchen wo tuefo na bom bie mu no e sie ashame anu tun pehin se e da wase esi kan se abrowa onya kwa tintin se de be ya e bie baba nchen e be je futu ashame
isolate Nana Akusi Aku Brempong Kumi Sasraku Miami Mangene. I recognize him for Ahimia Mweshiaha Ama Ene Apamu Ayefe. Your Excellency, the former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Ejikun Kufuor. Yemame, Your Excellency, Nana Kunedu Ajiman Rollins. Any Peninga Moha, any Atofua Meshiabu, and you jam share Aquamuman, any Esojamina, I say the best share Yemame for 7 Aquamuman and Pori Abusia. I know, sir, the journey hasn't been all smooth. It says 60 years of already, it will be an thing. Now, so the Apukudru and in India, and the Apamuman Nane, Apamu, united, na very attractive to Obiara or Manga Nadea. Na yes, I go. Now, Oshe team, Mode Esiho, say most celebrity, yet the Esiho, say yes, celebrating Fiosia. Was 60 years of royalty and epitome of Akan tradition and culture. Nane, Mete Yamame Nana Kunedu Ajiman Rollins in Chen, Asemba Kwa Okachre Vedese, and Newabahe, Wakais many years ago, Bra Oye about 9 years old. Ne Papa and the Neba Afashibiwo Apamumanga, Na Niema Eko so Okai Bisine. For an Asante Royal, only Mamamre, say Obedia dance afa Aquamu Amamre Hodea, not say Aquamu Mayade, Nayeta Aquamu Manase, say what contribute to your quota to protect and preserve the rich culture of Ghana. Nana Wonkaso, meaning Yenina dance a Juma Waye Abwa Aquaman. Say Ankaikra Yabekaiwu Vocational Training Institute and then why establish Ewo Aquamu Asasiso. That should be the other converting on Technical University. Now we didn't bet Nasida. Yeah, but there MC Nekaise Afidia Yabaya lecture. Na ya stretch the Wunyuma Waye Wool leadership. And no and I'm stress up on Mangina Yabeka Boom na ya team na Afrakoma leadership. Na I reference I'm a Hibiana. I reference I'm a future leaders. Ni America Ekato ne Adebakwa me fair ewo yema ameho. Se wo konifi na wo share mfedodoa oni amanfo atina. The way she has been able to keep and maintain the loyalty of the people around her is so commendable. Nyame Israel. Yes, celebrating in February 15 years from now, we are celebrating 75th anniversary, 75th anniversary of your reign. Akwabuman Kwaso, Esujaman Kwaso, Ghana Man Kwaso, Edamase.
Aboma, debi aye create history, debi atam prosi. Ade, deya, abreponfo, ọma peni abedi ejira ma peni ire ma etwa mu wani gani peni nyinara. Atutu wana ba akono fie. Asase chiro. Na ni te bibiasi. Yedi ka nyame de yeda na se. Dawa masadi ama wadi. Abato mo frade peni. No china mo frade ege nya asem. Ese ma ya kika nyina ya e ka de enti. Ye we yesi ampa. Abo frade ya opetia. Me da na ma se. Ese ya frade ni asem ni bia leka. Se abomani da na mai. Obi a ni oduma ma ye. Obi a o me wa dance ye. E papa de ye ko ni na. Inga no ka sa bebi. Me da o ma fu na. Ana ko wani. Itiro me da mi aka sa me ba o de no wa ba mo dance. Ana ko wani. Se wa bua me. Ni pe da na o ya de ma na wu. Sa. Wa bua me. Ashebe me na ka se ya tuga na me na. And now it's going to have a bridge. I'm going to bring out the young sir. I don't know whether I saw. I wish so. Every I got that. That one say, Mia, the bottom of my head, the mind, and burning for the mind and burning for. Go to my age. Ma, every other one, the more young you die. Pierre, next day, if you know she had a fire. Yaposake humuza. Kana wewe my age. We are not going to buy and this time back up. And you don't hear from Excellency, Nana colleagues, ministers here, all dignitaries here present. This is an investiture for Nana Afrakuma II on the occasion of her 60th anniversary as Afrakuma. If uninitiated tongue shall call out the familiar Afrakuma, and they invented, embellished the royal designation of Yimia Bonana, may their servants rise in indignation to instruct such an appendage. In the proper legal protocols that bear your royal name, Okukudufu is a name, they will say. She who stood the test of the raging storms of time. Before your palate assumes misguided familiarity with appellation, you must first understand that the one whom you so casually address is an emissary of Asasia itself, on whose left hand resides the fearsome Ochediampa. Okukudufu Afrakuma. You have been marked by 60 years of your exemplary royal footprints, and having found you, this years now kneel at your feet in reverent veneration to deliver this congratulatory Ayiko and Mo, and reports that from the very realms of the unseen has been observed how these 60 years have never dared to conquer your courage and resilience. Therefore, before we let loose impatient limbs on the expectant demagogues, we must first call to witness the ministrations of the oracles and presidents, who have proceeded to tie your umbilical cord to that of the royal abode as a reminder to future generations that your son, Odenu Kwaf Akoto III, and Akoduma has declared that henceforth you Okudurufo Ohimia Afrakuma II, conferred on this day by